What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to check out Wyze's newest addition to their home automation system, the Wyze Plug. So this is the 2-pack. I got on a kind of a pre-order. They are not quite released to the public quite yet. You had to get on the pre-order. They're going to release it in October for the public. At this point in time, I think they're just going to sell them as a 2-pack. Works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, and if this, then that. So this is in addition to their other smart home devices. Wyze is trying to get into the home automation system. They started out with the 1080p Wyze Cam, and then went to the Wyze Pan Cam, and they saw a lot of success there, so they ended up going to their own little hub that connects to the actual camera itself. And then it comes with 3 sensors and a motion sensor, or 3 door sensors, or window sensors, and then a motion sensor in the hub. And I think it's 20 bucks for that. It was 20 bucks, or actually 15 bucks for this. And then they also have their own little smart bulbs. And those are about 8 bucks a piece. And I think they have a pack of 4 for 20 or something like that. I'll link all those in the description below so you can check them out yourself too. Because I do sell them in packs. They can sell them the camera with the Wyze Sense, which is their hub and the sensors. But anyway, so let's go ahead and check the Wyze Plug out. So I don't know if you can read this, but on the side it says set timers, schedules, and automations. Vacation mode, so it looks like there's maybe a vacation mode. Easy setup. This does not require their Wyze Sense hub to work. Remote access with the Wyze Cam app. Then on the back it kind of explains that it is 15 amp max, so if you have a 20 amp device to plug into it, it will not work. So let's go ahead and check out what's in the box. So for mine, the first thing in the box was a sticker. It's I-backed Wyze Plug. Because I got on the pre-order, it backs the Wyze Plug. I think they do that so that they can see how many orders they're going to get and start production for actually selling it live. Then you have the quick start plug guide, so it kind of explains to you how to sync it and a little bit more information about it. Then you have the actual smart plugs themselves. They come in this little plastic container, well, plastic sheathing. Whoa, a little annoying. So we got the standard plug, regular USA plug. I got their logo right there, and it looks like a status light there. Then you have the sync button, and then just a regular plug to plug in the wall. So let's go ahead and check and see how easy this thing is to sync with your actual app. My understanding is it connects to the Wi-Fi via your actual app itself. So I'm going to go ahead and assume that you actually have to plug it in, so that way you can actually sync it so it has power. So at first, the blue light is blinking, so that's probably telling us it's unpaired. So let's go ahead and add the device. We'll add the product. And it's the Wyze Plug. It's telling me to hit the button. Okay. So the instructions say insert your plug into a power outlet and press and hold the on and off button until the LED begins to blink. It's already blinking, so let's go ahead and hit next. That's my wireless. Now it wants me to connect to Wi-Fi on the plug itself. So now it's connecting. All right. Now, let's name the device. So let's name it Plug 1. Finish setup. So now I got Plug 1. Turn it off and on. You can hear it click. Look how quick it is. I'm actually pretty impressed how quick it is. That was one thing that I was actually worried about, is how quick it would be, because I have a smart home, or well, smart things home automation system, and they're actually not super quick. I mean, it's a little bit delay, but not the end of the world. So the light is the status LED light to see if it actually has power or not. If the LED light is on, that means it's got power going to it, and then obviously if it's off, it doesn't. So these devices are very small. I like that because that way you don't have some big chunky little outlet that's plugged into the wall and then you got wires plugged in that. You don't want that. But anyway, so these are great for automating like a lamp in your living room or office, or I use smart things. Probably gonna use these from now on to automate my Christmas lights during Christmas. Like the inside, Christmas lights come on when there's motion at first. Outside, I want the lights coming on at sunset and then going off at sunrise. But other than that, like I said, I'll link to the products in the description. These probably aren't going to be out till October, but once they're available, I'll link those in the description as well so you can check them out yourself. If this is your first time, consider subscribing. I will see you next time.